Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan in the white finish. This model is from 1997 and it has 5 blades. The blades are non-reversible, and it came with this 4 spotlight kit, which is pretty beat up. This was another one that I got off of Craigslist in that lot of 4. This one also was missing the U-bolt and grommet, but it came with everything else. And this one was installed in the previous owner's porch, so it has a lot of dirt on it and it's kind of beat up, but it still works nonetheless. This one was really covered in oil and it kind of stained the switch housing, but I gotta try to get that out. But anyways, I'll demonstrate it. Here's the light. It's on a 3-way. One of the bulbs here is burnt out, but here's low speed. Not a huge fan of how the spotlight kits look on originals. If anything, I'd probably take off this light kit and put it on another Hunter that I have. This one does have a little bit of a hum to it, and I'm pretty sure that's from the light bulbs in the light kit, because some of them are touching the sides of the casing. Has a pretty nice low speed. Switch it up to medium. A big kick up to medium, and it's moving a lot of air. This one does have a bit of a warped blade, so it is going to cause it to wobble a little bit. Switch it up to high speed. He is throwing around a nice breeze. It's in pretty rough shape. Previous owner also stuck paint on the blades because he tried to number them, which that's a smart move, but not when you make a big mark on the blade. Yeah, it's pretty rough, but it should clean up pretty well. Like, it's very limp. I'll just move it and you'll just see it just falls. Not tight or anything. Kind of have to twist them in there. So if you don't twist them, they'll just fall. Like that. But anyways, here's the tag. I'm not sure you can see, but it says 97 there. Here's the top. There's the tag. But anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.